everyone, it's Cara. I'm here for our Meatless Monday recipe, and today it's something new I'm trying from the Mulberry Mill shop in Branson, Missouri. It's called Cryin Over Cayenne. It's a mix here that's salt-free, gluten-free. You can use it to make spreads, rubs, sauces, dips, etc. So we're going to make the cheese spread for crackers. So we need 8 ounces of cream cheese, and I took a picture of this recipe and I'm going to put it in here for you in the video. But we need 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1/4 cup mayonnaise, and then 2 tablespoons of Cryin Over Cayenne, which is the ingredients are here on the package. All right, so I have got our 8 ounces of Dia plain cream cheese spread that is vegan and non-dairy. And then I've also got our Follow Your Heart soy-free veganese as our 1/4 cup mayonnaise. And then I did 2 tablespoons of Cryin Over Cayenne. Put it in this bowl. I'm going to beat it and show you what it looks like. Here it is. We just finished beating it, and this is our Cryin Over Cayenne cracker spread. So let me show you a gluten-free cracker I'm going to try with this that I recommend. Snack Factory Pretzel Crisp, gluten-free. See, they have a good flat portion where you can spread spreads like this onto it. So that's what I'm going to try it with. Just needs to be refrigerated till we're ready to use. So that's it. So easy. Mulberry Mill in Branson, Missouri is where I get this from. And I'm pretty sure you can order stuff either over the phone or online from them. So there you go. Give it a try. It smells delicious.